Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And happy Mask Monday, ladies. But it's also Mother's Day when I'm recording this. Okay, so happy Mother's Day to everybody too. Even if you don't have human children, we all have fur babies too, so we take care of them like they're our kids. So anyway, today I'm going to do this Ulta Beauty Banana Natural Fiber Sheet Mask. It's got banana fruit extract in it. And I love the smell of bananas. I'm just hoping it smells good. So the usual things. Wash your face, apply the sheet mask, leave 15-20 minutes, remove, throw in the garbage. So that's what we'll do. And then I'm also going to open one of these little mini things I had gotten at Walmart. See what's in it. And I'll move on to another little quiz from this awesome social media quizzes. So, let's get started. Oh, I need a hair thingy, huh? Let's see, which one? Which one? I guess, well, no, not that one. I picked up the wrong one. I'll just do this pretty one. So let me take that off. I was hoping the sun would be out when I did this because it was out when I got up. And just during that time since I got up and had my lunch and stuff, rain. So let's see. Start with this. It's real wet. Remembered my little wet washcloth. So, ooh, it's kind of a yellow. Okay, take these off again. Oh, but I gotta wear them to open it, to open it. Are you all having a good Mama's Day? It's just Bob and I here today. Because, my daughter lives in Nevada. My one son lives in New York, Pennsylvania. And then my other one lives here in town. And he had, wanted to take me to lunch or dinner today. But then we thought it'd be better if we waited till during the week, because here in this little Polsbo town where we wanted to go, you cannot find a place to park. I don't care if it's raining or what. You can't find a place to park. So we're going to get together, just Alan and I, tomorrow evening for dinner at one of my favorite places. All right, let's get this on. Here we go. I should have brought the mirror over here so I could see where the eye holes are at. Okay, there. Need to go up a little. I thought I bent the nose down, but I guess, oh, there it is down. I guess this wouldn't look down enough. This is all damp and wet from placing it on, placing the mask on there. You do the little rolling on the river. Okay, done with that part of it. So, should I put the this on? I probably should. It does smell like banana. I should put this on when I go into the store. Tell them I have a mask on. It's just not covering my nose and my mouth. Okay. Now, first thing I wanted to start off with, I better put these glasses back on. I started doing these cards that had come in the mail to me, or in one of my boxes. So, I'm going to do one little quote when we start the masks on Monday. So this one says, staying pudgitive because better days are on their way. And it's got a little pudgy dog. So staying pudgitive because better days are on their way. Yeah, well, otherwise we sure hope so. So let's put that in the back of my stack. And what should we get started on? Let's see. Alrighty. Hope this is easy to open. It's got one of those little zip things. I just got it just for fun. Something to do. And then when I couldn't get it open very easily with the, when I was doing the haul, the Walmart haul, I thought, I should save these and do them on my mask days. I'm always trying to think of things that are different to do. Open suggestions, too. Well, so much for the zip thing working. Now this is the one that's supposed to have all the little, what they call mini brands in. So mini brands like for, this is going on, for like food products and stuff. After I'm done doing this, I gotta buzz down to CVS, see if they finally got my prescriptions filled. They make it so hard for people to get their drugs. I mean, they say, do it online, So I go in, I must have gone in at least 5 days in a row to do the one prescription. So now I haven't had it for 2 nights. And then I go in, it's ready to be refilled, it says. So I got to do it, I do it again. How's this open? I'm assuming this is how you, they don't give any, or maybe the instructions are on that wrapper, just. Well, this isn't really opening it. Still looks the same. Just, how do you get these darn things open? Oh, it's another layer on here I've got to take off. Oh, for Pete's sake. At least that one came off. Easier. Oh, there we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All falling apart now. Oh, okay. Well, there's some little... It's got covers on it, but it's kind of cute, Turn them all over so you can see. It looks like a big flower thing, But no, we got another layer to remove. Oh, just stab them with the scissors. Don't know what I'll do with them, but they're cute. Here's an almond breeze. next one. Ooh. Kraft Singles American Cheese. How come when you guys do this, your things come out clearer? Mine don't. Oh, stovetop stuffing. Isn't that cute? Turkey stuffing. Does anybody have any, like doll houses that maybe they want this stuff for? You know? What's this? Oh, ooh, I wish this was real. Is there something in it? Doubt it. Hershey's. Hershey's Cookies and Cream. And then this, what's this? Must be something that tells about it. Yeah. Collect them all. Whoa, whoa. That's a lot of stuff to collect. A lot of these things to buy. I don't think so. I just thought it'd be fun for, you know, one little thing. Ooh. Little Mentos. So that's it, guys. What do you think? Isn't that exciting? My gosh. Now we'll move on to the quizzes. So let's see what would be a good one to do today. We did what 80s craze are you last week? Oh, this one, I don't know. It might end up being embarrassing. It's, are you smarter than a 10-year-old? Well, we'll find out, though I can pretty much tell you. Which of the following animals is not a fish? A clownfish, seahorse, nurse shark, humpback whale, or a marlin? Excuse me. I would say D, the humpback whale, because isn't a whale a mammal? So what's the answer? D, I got it right. Okay, so far so good. Without a calculator, what is 8 9s? Is it 72, 68, 81, 74, or 64? 72. Yeah, I got that right. So I better know that because I come from the old schools where we had to memorize our times tables, division tables, addition, subtraction. Which word is spelled correctly for accommodate? They've got A-C-O-M-M-A-D-A-T-E, A-C-C-O-M-M-O-D-A-T-E, A-C-C-O-M-O-D-A-T-E. Where's spell checker? A-C-C-O-M-M-E-D-A-T-E or A-C-C-O-M-A-D-E. I'd say no, not that one, no. C, A-C-C-O-M-O-D-A-T-E. So let's see. Oh, I was wrong. Oh my God. We also had to memorize spelling words. The correct answer is B, A-C-C-O-M-M-O-D-A-T. I just have gotten to rely on spell check a lot of times when I'm, typing that word. Oh my God, embarrassing. So that's one I got wrong. Choose the correct word to fill in the blank. James hasn't called blank. He got back from vacation. Okay, the words are, James hasn't called before he got back from vacation. James hasn't called while he got back from vacation. James hasn't called since he got back from vacation. James hasn't called until he got back from vacation. James hasn't called after he got back from vacation. I would say C, since. I got it right. So far, one wrong, right? There are 5 boxes on the desk. Uh-oh. Each box contains at least 10 rocks, but not more than 14. Choose which answer could be the total number of rocks in all 5 boxes. So well, it could be, so you'd have to go on the 14. So 14 times 5, 5, 4, 0, 5, 4, 0, 2, 3. That's not right. Let's see, 5 4s are 20, right? It's not working right. Anyway, the answers are 75, 65, 35, 45, 25. I say it's 30, but that's not one of the choices. 14 times 5, because that's the most you can have. What answer could be the total number of rocks in all 5? What answer? Well, what they say is D, 45. Without looking at a photo or flag, how many stripes are on the American flag? A, 20, B, 13, C, 12, D, 15, E, 19. I'd say B, 13. What number is that? 6. I got it right. Okay. In what city would you find Big Ben? Tokyo, Berlin, Seattle, Paris, or London? Well, you know, you could find a guy who's rather large in girth and named Ben. The answer to me is E, London, because I've seen it. So number 7, the answer is E. I got it right. Frogs and turtles are types of amphibians, lizards, arthropods, echinoderms, or none of the above. I'd say none of the above. Aren't they reptiles? I got it wrong. The answer is A, amphibians. Okay. Without using a calculator, what is 3.65 plus 5.95? Choices are 8.9, 9.6, 9.55, 8.85, and 9.3. Let me look at it. I'd say 9.6. And the answer is B, 9.6. Yay! Which word in the following is a collective noun? Mary tends a flock of sheep. Oh, collective noun. Is it sheep, Mary, flock, tends, or none of the above? I'd say tends. That's the answer is C, flock. All right, so what I get? 4 wrong. To the results. So what were the scores? There were 10 of them. And what I get? 4 wrong? So 6 right, 6 5 right, 30. Okay. If your score was 0 to 15, it says, it happens to the best of us. 40 to 50, it says, aren't you relieved? You are vindicated, a shining beacon of adulthood after years of accumulating life knowledge. The basics still haven't fallen out to make room. Then my score, 20 to 35, it says, but can a 10-year-old balance a checkbook? No, because they're not taught to, I don't think, anymore. You performed admirably, but you're not exactly a champion. You're half the 10-year-old you used to be. Now, I didn't read you what it said about the first one, 0 to 15. You know, that happens to the best of us. Think of all the things you know that a 10-year-old doesn't. It'll ease the sting. Boy, that's for sure. So, that's this week's. Now, did I forget anything I was going to do? Well, remember, if anybody wants these little guys, let me know. How long have we been on? 19? Well, just about 20. Okay, it's about time to take this off. But let me pause to take a picture. Okay. Glasses off. It's always such a relief to get this off. Get it off. And I always forget these are wrapped around my ears. Oh. Well, it's pretty wet, my face. Real wet. It's going to take a while for that to kind of, well, the mail's here. I bet it's an Amazon, because I did order some probiotics from Amazon. You know, they come up to the Happy Mother's Day! You got some probiotics! Hope he didn't see me. You see this clown sitting here with his ears on. Oh, gosh. Okay. Yeah, feels good. Where's that guy walking to? So, you can't complain. Get some moisture on my lips. So I think that will do it for this week. What you think? Oh, whoops, I should be looking over here. I forget that you're over here, not in the mirror. Let's put this guy back. I don't like to have it right there where I can see two of me. Turn this on. Sun doesn't shine on the mirror. And so I hope you all have had a good Mother's Day. And this week when I do my ride-along, which will probably be tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm going to go to the new Hobby Lobby. And then the clothing consignment store that I took a bunch of clothes to, they've already sent me a message back saying they've got some clothes for me to pick up. It's always interesting to see what they don't want to keep because they're all like brand new. So then what they don't keep, then I'll take to my second season, you know, my thrift shop. But I've been getting all kinds of stuff together. I've got a Goodwill bag, thrift shop bag, and then I had the consignment one. So consignment one I'm done with for the summer. So make sure you watch for that. It'll either be going on here on Tuesday evening or Wednesday morning. And then remember, there's also a big giveaway going on. You know, the big, what do you call those things? Flat rate post office boxes. So, again, hope you're having a good day. Comment below, share, like, subscribe. And I love you all. Bye.